Okay, so we did part A, which was pick out the correct diagram. That was B. And then part B popped up and they wanted you to fill in the transition matrix. Now, part C comes up and asks the question, what is the probability that at the beginning that a beginning agent is promoted to qualified agent within 1 year and then within 2 years? Okay. This is the part you gotta realize. I went back up here. You didn't see the bright green when I was doing this last time, but I highlighted in bright green, initially, all new employees are classified as beginning agents requiring extensive supervision. That's your initial state matrix. So S sub 0, and I looked at B, which was labeled BIQT. So I went BIQT, and if all employees are classified as beginning agents, that's 100% of them. So there's a 1 under the B, and then the I, the Q, and the T all have zeros. So that's the first part. Then the second part, and I try to highlight in gray here, but right here it says every 6 months, the performance of each agent is reviewed. Every 6 months. So when they ask you, I just put it all down here. When they ask you about what's the probability within 1 year, 1 year is 6 months. They redo this evaluation every 6 months. So 1 year from now, that's twice, 2 times it's been done. So actually I need to fix this. We're actually looking for S sub 2 here. And S sub 2 is your initial state matrix, which I had up there in that green color, which was 1, 0, 0, 0. So I have to edit a 1 by 4 matrix, and then my P is a 4 by 4 matrix into my calculator, and then take my 1 by 4 times my 4 by 4 to the second power, which gave me that matrix. And they want to know what's the probability that a beginning agent is promoted to a qualified agent. And my qualified agent is right here. And so I got exactly 0.2. Now they said round to 2 decimal places as needed, but it wasn't needed. Just type in 0.2 there. And then it says to what's the probability within 2 years? Well, if you have 2 years, 2 years, that's 6 months. So I'm really looking at S sub 4 here. I don't know why I wrote S sub 2. S sub 4. And so you're going to take, I think it was this color I used. Yeah, this one. The green S sub 0, which is 1, 0, 0, 0. I already have all this in my calculator. I just need to take my 1 by 4 matrix times my 4 by 4 matrix to the 4th power, and that gives me the next answer. And once again, we're still looking for the qualified agent, and so that's this number here. And they say round to 4 decimal places, but again, I don't need to, as needed. So in this box here is 0.456. And just so you trust me and believe me, I went back here, and that's question 24. Go back to 21. 23, sorry. On 23, there's part A, there's answer part B. And then I don't think you can see this. Let me do this. There you go. I think you can see all this now. There's the matrix I put in, and 0.2 and 0.456, and it says up here that I got 100% on that. 1 out of 1 point. So, and that's question 23, part 2.